depending on how much sauce you want. And see how it came out pretty good. It thickened up the way I wanted it to. And there you go. Okay. And then you're gonna, like I said, take the leftover mixture that you have and just sprinkle that on top. If you want, you could put some around the plate. And there you have it. That is my herb crusted chicken with the lemon Alfredo sauce. And I don't know if I skipped to show you guys, but just add the lemon towards the end. You want to let the lemon